Hey, I can record. What, Toby? Go get the snow. Holy crap. Ah, it's so windy. I turn this around. Very windy. Ah. Toby. Having fun, Toby. We had lots of snow. And of course the snow's going that way, so can't look that way. Don't want to get snow on my very expensive lens. So cold. Toby! Toby, Trick! Trick? Yeah, I probably look retarded with an umbrella. Oh, now I don't know which way the snow's going. Dude. Dude. Ah! Snow. Bad snow. Stay away from my lens. Ah. Holy crap. It's so windy. What you doing, Toby? Toby, go play. Get the snow. Go get it. Whoa, we almost fell. That would be bad. Bad idea. There's the crappy road that's covered with snow. What, Toby? And that's it.